Hi, I'm Sara Gelsheimer, and I'm a Senior Wealth Manager at Plancorp. And I want to talk about something that's often overlooked but is really important, and that is credit. So why is credit so important? It's important because it allows you to get things like a mortgage or a car loan. And there are a few different things that can really help you with boosting your credit score. So the most important factor is making sure that you pay your payments on time and make at least the minimum payments. It can also be helpful to make more frequent, smaller payments too. Another important aspect is your credit utilization, and this is the percentage of your credit that you're actually utilizing. So a great rule of thumb is to try to make that number as low as possible, ideally somewhere between 1 and 10%, but certainly not above 30%. And if you're struggling with that, you can reach out to your credit card company and ask them to extend your credit, which will, of course, end up helping your credit utilization. Another key factor is making sure that if you find errors on your credit report, you dispute those ASAP. So one thing you should always do is check your credit report every year. And you can do this for free through several different places like Credit Karma or annualcreditreport.com. So put it on your calendar and make sure you're doing that, checking it over and disputing anything that looks inaccurate. Another great piece of advice is to not close old credit cards. Leave them open because closing them can hurt your credit. And then finally, I would encourage you, given how prevalent fraud is these days, I would encourage you to consider freezing your credit with all 4 of the main bureaus, which I have here up on the screen. So it's Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, and Innovis. So freezing your credit prevents people from being able to pull out a credit card in your name, for example. Now, obviously, if you're planning to take out a mortgage or get a new credit card here soon, you may want to wait till after you do that before freezing your credit. But once your credit is frozen, you can actually go in and unfreeze it very easily, whether that's a temporary unfreeze or a permanent unfreeze. So certainly, as always, if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks.